Let us see what type of slides does a PowerPoint presentation consist of. So generally, I will give you an example of textbook. Whenever you buy a textbook, you will see first a cover page, then you will see a table of content where it is with chapter number 1 and page number so and so, and then you have the executive summary or probably a description page, and the next would be a divider slide, and in a textbook it will be a section from where the chapters start. The next would be your the content page in your book, and the book ends with the end page. Same with the PowerPoint presentations. It consists of cover slides, which consist of presentation title, subtitle, date, author, and company logo. And second would be your agenda slide. It will contain the table of content, the summary executive slides. Let's say, for example, if you want to highlight some important points and a key important factors that you want to show to your audience or to your stakeholder, this is where you make a summary of that. Divider slides. Okay, so basically from here your new section has been starting in your PowerPoint presentation. Content slide. So content slide is basically your workspace where you put lot of your content matter, whether it will be a page title, subtitle, charts, auto shape, kicker box, footnote, footers, page number, and the last one is the end slide. So basically you write thank you there, contact information, and sometimes you include disclaimer as well. So basically, in general, when you see a PowerPoint presentation, will consist more or less this format and this type of slides.
I hope you found this video useful. Kindly like and share with your friend. Thank you.